I'll just pretend I'm Sarah Jessica Parker. Wow, the series changed. Guys, we're going shopping.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of What Is This? Christmas Edition. So if you're new to the show, you can click here for the rules. But basically, we challenge our chef Kimmy to guess what dish we're trying to make her make based on just the ingredients. Today, she's making Morton Family Strata from the movie The Family Stone. Ta-da! So The Family Stone is about this girl named Meredith who visits the family of her boyfriend Everett, and they don't really like her. So during Christmas, she decides to make her family strata recipe to kind of impress the family, but then it ends up on the floor. You should just watch the scene. Dan's gonna put it here. Ooh. So here are Kimmy's ingredients, and today's red herring is flour. So let's go.
Merry Christmas, I guess. It's Christmas. What the hecky? Milk, mushrooms, onions, tomatoes, Parmesan cheese, olives, bread. May kumain na. Flour, salt, eggs, garlic salt, oregano, cheese, mozzarella cheese. What's Christmassy? These don't seem Christmassy. I thought I was gonna find like reindeer. The joke lang. Okay, hint.
The recipe you're making is from a 2005 family Christmas movie / romantic comedy.
2005 Christmas movie. Okay, Christmas movies are my favorite genre of movies, but I watch the bad ones on purpose. I'm guessing this is a nice one. Bread or flour? Is my red herring the bread or the flour? Or the egg? I could use the egg and the bread. I could use the egg and the flour. I can't really use the bread with the flour. Bread or flour, bread or flour, bread or flour. Pick one, left or two. What? Right or left? Right or left?
Right.
Is my red herring the flour?
Yes.
What? Really? Okay, so I have to use everything but the flour. So, I can't believe it. That was so good. I can't believe you picked that hand. Could have been two. Okay, I'm gonna just cut things. Wait, but how do I cut stuff if I don't know how to cut it? Whew! Christmas movie, Christmas movie. What's my favorite Christmas movie? The Holiday. I love that movie.
What does she have?
What?
She has, yeah. For sure, she has.
If I have what?
I watched it.
Of course, I've watched it. If it's a Christmas movie, I've watched it.
Okay, we were gonna give more hints.
Yesterday, I legally downloaded like 7 Christmas movies. Because Hallmark and Lifetime, they're coming out with 2 new original Christmas movies every week until Christmas. Not an ad. It's always like some girl who's like an attorney, and then she has to go home to a small town, and then she realizes her job is not everything because she falls in love with like an innkeeper or the farmer, the librarian at the local bookstore that only sells old dusty Christmas books whose parents died in a blizzard, so he didn't love Christmas that much, but then they found each other and then they have happy ending.
Yeah, and they cooked the...
And then they cook this, whatever this is. What is this? Okay, let's just cut stuff. Maybe I'm focusing too much on the movie. What do the ingredients want? Like, what would I make with these? Sandwich! Bread pudding? Savory bread pudding. What is this? Bread, eggs. This seems like a very small amount of bread for bread pudding. What's wrong with her face?
I was born with this.
Maybe you should move to a small town. Bread pudding was the last thing she heard. I know na. I know what na. Family Stone. Is it? The Family Stone. That's a Christmas movie, right? Where she makes that bread thing. Right? Am I right? I mean, what else could it be? I know the movie, I know the scene. She like puts something weird in it or she drops it or something. Whatever. Okay, so we're making that thing. The name will come to me later. It starts with S. Spread pudding. Okay, we're just gonna go with it. I'm gonna make, that's my guess. The thing Sarah Jessica Parker tries to make in the Family Stone, but it falls on the ground or something like that. And starts with an S. Not spread pudding.
What's the family?
It's a Christmas movie. He brings home Sarah Jessica Parker. No? Are they siblings? No, are they the ones that are together? Yes. He brings her home to his family with his, but she's, of course, she's like a high-powered businesswoman. And then he brings her home and they don't like her because I don't know why. People are intimidated by strong women. And then they don't like her, so she makes whatever this is to impress them. Onions, tomatoes, cheese. Do I grate the cheese? I'm gonna cut the cheese because it's too soft to grate. Strata!
What?
Is that what it's called? It just came to me while I was cutting the cheese. Strata. I'm cooking the mushrooms down. Because I think if I put them in raw and they cook in here, they'll get too watery. Then everything will be watery or soggy. But there's no oil or butter, so this feels unorthodox. But whatever. I'm gonna make custard for the eggs. So you pour everything. I'm gonna go with 4 eggs, cup of milk, season with salt. Oh, there's garlic salt, so not that much salt. Okay, oregano. Parmesan? Sure. Well, I'm gonna ask a question.
I thought it's me.
Do I keep the bread whole when I put it in here? What? No, my question was, do I put the bread slices in whole?
No.
What? So I break it up? Hold up. Let's just wait for a second. So I tear up the bread, but I'm still guessing I'm gonna cover the bottom. Oh, whatever. I would keep the bread whole, but doesn't matter how I get there as long as I get there. There's way too many onions. But we don't want to waste, so. Cheese. Sure. Let's just tuck some in underneath. So we kind of don't know where they were supposed to go. Mushrooms! Oh, whatever. I'm touching these and they're hot. Olives. Woo. Parang for me, there's bread pa on top. But parang the container says no. Sure. I mean, thinking you're laughing because my container is so small. I couldn't find any other one, so. It's gonna overflow, so. I'm gonna try to soak everything, push it down. Hmm. Doesn't seem like enough custard. I'll make more. It's gonna overflow anyway. Might as well go big. So logic has gone out the window. Then I'm just gonna sprinkle more parmesan on top. I mean, how can it not be good? It just might not be what it is supposed to be. So, oven. I'm gonna put a tray underneath just because I'm very afraid. um.
So, Kimi, what's your final guess?
Strata from the Family Stone or whatever she made on the Family Stone.
And why do you think that was the dish?
Based on the ingredients and the hint, which is the Christmas movie.
But how can you say that if like half of the people here haven't even watched that?
What do you mean? How can I say what?
How can you say that this is it? Oh, we have no idea what this is.
Huh?
Okay, so Kimi,
Fine.
your dish is
Yay!
Morton Family Strata.
No, this is the same.
From the Family Stone.
Wow, ba't ang ayos lang sa kanya?
Because you were supposed to cut the bread into circles.
Circles. Oh, like per serving. That's why I asked her because I thought from what I remember, it's whole pieces of bread because you serve as pieces of bread. But then when she said no, I just ripped it. Well, yeah, I get it. Okay, I'm still with losers.
When she said strata in the first 5 minutes, we were like, how can she have guessed that?
I love
I had a
Christmas
feeling, though,
movies.
but yeah. So
Everyone
this is
watched
Morton
it.
Family.
So good.
Family. Morton Family Strata. I guess Kimmy wins again. We need something more difficult. DM us for suggestions. Thanks, like and subscribe.
I'm a winner.
Merry Christmas!
Happy New Year. Love you so much.
Bye! Dapat like like in the
Let's
movie.
eat it.
No, dapat in the movie, the bet drop.
It falls,
So
yeah.
to throw it out.